This is the Hudson 2013 Contemporary Lifestyle Floor Plan by True Homes. This particular house is a showcase home ready for its next owner, located at the Glens community in Wingate, North Carolina. Just about 10 minutes from Monroe. So we come in, you see the dining area here, and to our left as we pan around, there's a study with French doors at the front of the home overlooking the front porch. The dining room is connected to the kitchen. There is a powder room just off the dining room as well. You'll notice the white cabinets with the brushed gold finishes, tall pantry, tons of cabinets and drawers. You got a flat surface island. Check out that backsplash, absolutely gorgeous. Stainless steel appliances, beautiful brushed gold pendant lights, and looking into your great room. I really love how this floor plan flows. The great room is connected to the kitchen is connected to the dining room, but you truly do have some separation between rooms. So it feels like an open floor plan without truly being an open concept plan where everything is just totally connected. Here, just off the garage, you've got a drop zone with a bench and coat hooks. You have a 2-car garage, so you can easily fit 2 vehicles in here. And there's some room for some vertical storage as well. All right, now let's head upstairs. And you see you do have the switchback stairs. You get to the top. And when we get to the top, there is going to be a landing area where you could put a piece or two of furniture up here. And then we're gonna find all 3 bedrooms here on the 2nd level. So here's your first bedroom at the front of the home. Next up, we've got bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. And here is a full bathroom with a dual bowl vanity and a fiberglass tub shower combo. Right down this hall, you'll find your laundry room with cabinets. And then as we head back towards the stairs, now we're in the primary bedroom. So I love how we put the tray ceiling in here. And then you've got a sitting area as well underneath those triple windows. You got the dual sink vanity here. And then the tiled shower and a large walk-in closet. This is truly a beautiful home. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and to see more home tours by True Homes, don't forget to subscribe.